Exactly right. So let me try this, and now I want to talk about another thing that was happening here in your experience. So what I'd like, I need help here. So I need somebody to time this next experience. Okay, you can do that. Glenn is going to do that. And then I need somebody else to spot when the majority of hands in this room go up in the air and to tell me when that happens. Okay, you'll do that back there? Great, because you can see everybody. So that's pretty cool. All right, and your name is? Susan. Great, thank you, Susan. Now, everybody else, your job is to be really, really honest with yourself. And when you notice that you stopped listening to me, I want you to raise your hand. Okay, fair enough? All right, here we go. I just took this off of a website of a local moving company here in San Diego. I hope no one is here from that moving company. I don't think anybody is. You are timing how long it takes when I start reading, right? How long it takes for Susan to tell me to stop. And there's Susan back in the back of the room. Okay, now I've been doing this activity for 10 years. Let's see what happens with this group. Right? All right, so here we go. You're local movers in San Diego. People who currently live in San Diego look around to find the perfect home. Once you find that home, it's time to move. We can help you move all around the San Diego area, including the suburbs of Chula Vista, National City, or Escondido. If you hate moving, you'll really love our movers. Buying or selling a home? We work with local realtors, so you don't have to worry about getting a moving company when buying and selling a home in the San Diego area. You can start packing even before you know you will move. Items that you don't use, such as old yearbooks and other sentimental items, can be packed ahead of time. Make sure that you pack these items in sturdy boxes or even plastic totes, since you might not choose to unpack them when you get to your new home. Just label them so we know where you want them stored. As you pack up everything else, start with the items that you don't use often. This ensures that you have access to the things you need while you are in the process of moving. The last items that you pack should be the ones you will need right away when you move. Mark these boxes clearly with a star or a large exclamation. All right, stop.
1 minute and 14 seconds.
Okay, you guys lasted a long time. You were still listening, I know. Well, some people have a larger capacity to listen than others, and if you've been listening to a lot of information during the day, your ability to listen to something like this is shorter. But where you all rank, right, on all the groups I've been doing this with for the last 10 years, the average is 57 seconds. Wow. So you lasted 1 minute 15, and you're up there with at least one other group, a group of engineers. Interestingly enough, I know it's funny, right? But I think if I had shared with you something that was different from, a different topic, maybe from an academic journal, we would have probably hit that 57 seconds. 10. Right.